Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make a full backup to iCloud or to Finder on your computer, and confirm the backup finished. Once done, remove the beta profile from settings right arrow General, right arrow VPN and Device Management so it won't re-enroll after restore. Next, download the official public IPSWA file that matches your exact device model and install the latest version of Mac OS or iTunes on your computer. This ensures the restore tool recognizes and installs the public firmware correctly. You now perform the actual revert. First, follow the model-specific key sequence to enter recovery or DFU mode so the computer can reflash the firmware. Then connect the device to Finder or iTunes, hold Option on Mac or Shift on Windows, and click Restore to select the downloaded public IPSWA manually. Once you start the restore, let the process finish without interruptions. The computer will erase the device, install the public iOS, and reboot it back to factory software. After the public iOS installs, you'll set up the device and restore your backup from iCloud or Finder to recover apps and data. Make sure the beta profile is removed by checking settings right arrow General, right arrow VPN and Device Management. If present, delete it and restart. Once back, verify software update shows public releases only. If anything goes wrong, for example the restore stalls or errors, try a different cable, re-download the IPSWA, update iTunes/Finder, or perform the restore on another computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.